In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping charges in Woocommerce. So, whether you're just getting started with your online store, or you're looking to refine your shipping setup, follow along as I guide you through this process step by step. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to WordPress.com. This is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and open up your web browser and enter WordPress.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar WordPress homepage, which provides everything you need to build and manage your website. Next up, you'll need to log in, so click on the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you gain access to your WordPress dashboard. Your dashboard is your command center, and from here, you can manage all aspects of your Woocommerce store. Once logged in, head over to your website's dashboard. This is crucial because all Woocommerce settings are managed from here. Your dashboard acts as the central hub from where you can control everything related to your online business. Now, find the Woocommerce section on your dashboard. You can usually spot this in the sidebar on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your Woocommerce settings, the place where all the configuration for your online store starts. After clicking Woocommerce, the next thing you'll want to do is access the settings. Within the Woocommerce menu, you'll see various options like Products, Orders, and Reports. Be sure to click on the Settings tab. This section is foundational for setting up various aspects of your store, including shipping, payments, and accounts. Within Settings, you'll find a tab labeled Shipping. Click on this Shipping tab. It's your go-to area for setting up, managing, and customizing shipping options for your online store. Once you're in the shipping settings area, you'll find all the tools you need to create a seamless shipping experience for your customers. Navigating these steps one by one ensures that your shipping charges are set up correctly and meet your specific needs. Whether you ship locally or across the globe, this setup allows you to define shipping zones, set flat rates, or even calculate shipping costs based on weight or distance. Knowing how to properly set this up can save you time and enhance customer satisfaction by providing clear and upfront shipping information. And just like that, you're now equipped to add shipping charges to your Woocommerce store confidently. Implement these steps, and you're well on your way to improving your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more valuable e-commerce tips.